And good morning.
Morning, guys.
So we're gonna make some blueberry syrup.
Blueberry.
Let's get started. So our syrup, it's real simple. Just gonna take some good maple syrup, pour in, I don't know, about a quarter cup or so.
Doesn't have to be too exact.
Yeah, it's just making syrup. And if they have fresh blueberries, you can add those into it as well. But we got a really good wild blueberry jam.
Ooh,
that we're just gonna add, I'd say about a quarter cup as well.
So it's about a 1-to-1.
We're just gonna let that heat up and then we'll give it a taste. Let it heat up so that jelly gets all melted into it. And that's how easy our syrup is.
Yeah, just want to warm it up so it can be like a cohesive syrup.
Yeah.
Rather than a chunky maple syrup.
Yes, and if you had fresh blueberries, you could throw it in and let them kind of cook in there. Or if not, because this jam has some little berry chunks in it, so it's going to be very good.
I like that.
All right, those sausage links are just chilling over there. Looks like our syrup. See how fast that was? It's already done. I'm gonna give it a little. Ooh, that's gonna be good on those pumpkin pancakes for sure. All right. You like our spider bowl? I do. So, we got our pancakes.
Our syrup.
Now we take our blueberry syrup, pour it on top. Oh. And then take some of our fresh campsite whipped cream. And wow, I'll say that is easy. There you go, guys.
It actually makes really dense whipped cream.
With our zombie fingers. Hope you guys give this a try. Although it's our day, we gotta pack up, so we're gonna eat our brunch and then pack up, and we'll see y'all back at headquarters. A little whipped cream, a little blueberry. It's the blueberry maple. It just works. It's fall. It's a fall brunch. Keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.